In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your overall dashboard profile, which is essential for setting the context of your analysis and trading. This setup will allow you to organize and customize your trading environment to suit your specific strategies and needs. To begin, you'll want to rename your chart layout to something meaningful for your trading activities. Look for the icon that allows you to rename your chart. Once you find it, click on it, and a window will pop up. This is where you can type in your desired layout name. Let's say you're focused on trading the micro futures for the main three US stock indices. A suitable name for your layout might be micro indices. This label will help you immediately recognize what this particular layout holds. Within this layout, you'll include charts for the Micro E-mini Dow Jones, referred to as MIM, the Micro E-mini S&P 500, known as MES, and the Micro E-mini NASDAQ 100, dubbed MNQ. By naming your layout micro indices, anytime you load this profile, you'll bring up all the charts associated with these instruments, MIM, MES, and MNQ. It's quite efficient, saving you time and effort from having to individually load each one every time. Remember, each profile you create is essentially a collection of individual charts. This becomes incredibly useful as the profile function allows you to toggle between different views depending on the settings of your chart templates. As a futures trader, it's also worthwhile to keep an eye on different sectors within the stock market. Many of these markets are highly correlated, and understanding these correlations can provide you with a more comprehensive view of potential movements. Furthermore, it's crucial to take note that every quarter, stock index futures are significantly influenced by corporate earnings seasons. These earnings are typically grouped by sectors, meaning changes in one sector can ripple through your futures contracts. The leaderboard in particular is an excellent tool to help you follow these earnings more effectively. By closely monitoring the leaderboard, you can gain insights that might significantly impact the futures contracts you are trading, especially if you're trading any of the major US indices. Understanding how these earnings affect broader market movements can give you an edge in planning your trades more strategically. So there you have it. By setting up a dashboard profile tailored to your trading activities, you streamline your process and stay informed, which sets a solid foundation for informed decision-making in trading futures.